Energy powers everything in our lives, but most people have no idea where it comes from. My name is Joel. I build solar farms, battery systems, and microgrids here in Montana. I started this channel because we're in the middle of the biggest energy transition in my lifetime. And I install solar, battery systems, and I work with utilities. And I realized that most people never get the full benefit of their solar and battery systems. So on this channel, I'm going to show you how these systems are built, how they make money, and how they're going to change the way we power our homes, businesses, and our entire communities. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about technology. This is about energy independence. If you're curious how the future of energy actually works, follow along. Please subscribe, watch the next video, learn, and become a power pioneer by being curious, experimenting and learning, and then share it with your friends, neighbor, or your family.